What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here with Worldwide RV, and today we're going to be taking a peek at the 2024 Jayco White Hawk 29BH. The White Hawk is the top trim level of Jayco's travel trailers, and also this is a BH, so a bunkhouse model. So let's go take a peek inside and see what you're getting for all that. Before we take a peek inside, I wanted to show you guys this awesome outdoor kitchen. You're going to get things like that IRV mini fridge, a water spout and hookup that does have a shower, and is included is a single burner griddle. This is honestly awesome for while you're camping. You could actually spend more time outside and not just staying inside the trailer all day. The first thing you notice when you come through the door of the White Hawk are these two double wide bunks, and it has a built-in ladder that will not move. These are both rated at 450 pounds and are going to give you not only more sleeping area, but storage if need be. And then also you could lift up this bottom bunk and you have even more storage for things like mountain bikes or anything of that nature. Right here, you're going to have a bathroom. It's very well equipped. You have tons of room inside. It has a shower, bathroom, sink, everything you could need. And then right over here, you have two spots for extra storage, kind of like a pantry. Along from that pantry, you have a very large dinette that does also convert into sleeping area. And then right from there, you have this two-person sofa that does have the underneath lighting and does fold out into more sleeping area if need be. And right across from there is your entertainment area, where you're going to get things like a 50-inch smart TV, that IRV Technologies radio station unit, and then a built-in electronic fireplace down there, along with this Everchill 12-volt refrigerator that does open in both directions, right next to your Furrion 3-burner stovetop and oven, along with Furrion microwave and other Furrion appliances throughout. You have a pop-top power tower right there, along with a double bucket sink, very wide. And here we are in the bedroom of the White Hawk. You're going to get a queen-size bed, these awesome blue reading lights on either side, and while you're sleeping here, you could put this front window up and just look up at the stars. How cool is that? Also, you're going to have this extra storage bedside on each side with a mirror built in. You have a private entry door, so while you're coming in late at night, you don't have to bother anyone else sleeping in the main room. And then right here, you have this very large closet. Dresser, hang bar, other things like that. This is plenty of storage for a unit of this size. And you also have a place to mount a TV along with hookups, and this is also prepped for the security camera prep. And although this White Hawk does MSRP for over $73,000, right now Worldwide RV is having their 60th year anniversary sale. So it's currently on sale for only $44,995. That's a great deal, especially for this high of a trim of travel trailer. This is top tier. It doesn't get any better than this as far as Jaycos go. So come on down to Worldwide RV and come get the Jayco of your dreams. I hope to see you soon.